Hello, friends and dear colleagues. Today, I'm sharing a case of long standing joint pains post chikungunya infection. 42 years old male presented with the complaint of pain in joints, especially the ankle joints, feet, and knuckles post chikungunya. He was suffering from this complaint since 6 months. Initially, he took the modern medicine, which used to give temporary relief, and then the pains used to relapse. The pains were associated with swelling of the ankles more as compared to the other joints. This complaint made him feel like an old, weak, and an inactive person. He used to just like to rest and not do any work due to this nagging complaint, which was also affecting his business. The pain is most intense the moment he wakes up and after walking. Once he sits, then getting up from a chair is painful. The only relief he gets is when someone presses the painful parts. With this scanty information available, a suitable homeopathic medicine was selected. After 2 weeks of medicine, he reports 40% improvement in his pain. In 2 months, he is 60% better. And after 3 months, the improvement reaches to 80%. So after 4 months of treatment, he says that he does not have any complaint and decides to stop the medicine. And there has been no relapse of the pain in the last 6 months. He feels happy and free from pain, which made him feel old, weak, and inactive earlier. This is the advantage with homeopathy, where the right medicine selection can remove the complaints and the probability of relapses are dramatically less. The remedy he received was sulfur 200, 1 m and 10 m, one dose each in subsequent months based on the following repertorial analysis. This is how homeopathy can help resolve in many other complaints. This was just one of the examples as to how effective use of symptoms modalities can help in reducing the human suffering. Thank you for your time and attention.